I give you here a great line from a great interview of Father James V. Schall, former professor of political philosophy at Georgetown University. I'll post the links to this whole interview below in the description. It's well worth reading in all three of its parts. I want to focus here on this line, which we should burn into all of our brains. The locus of all disorder is not external to us, but is found in our own souls. If we do not begin there, we cannot begin. This obviously has application to what's going on right now in the streets with these souls in chaos, burning buildings and hurting people and all the rest of it. It also reminds me of whenever I hear someone say, I just need to move and get a fresh start, as if our problems are geographical, rather than a matter of interior disorder. Oh, if you're one of those who thinks all of your problems are going to be solved by a geographical move, rather than by an interior revolution, please rethink, slow down, go into deep prayer.